Okay, can you read this one? Jeff, very good. So you can move 2 boxes. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, read this one.
This is Jeff.
Very good. This is Jeff. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, next you can read this one.
Jeff has a pet.
Very good. Jeff has a pet. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, next you can read this one.
His pet is a hen.
Very good. His pet is a hen. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. Okay, you can read this one.
His pet is a red hen.
Very good. His pet is a red hen. Okay. Good job, Alisya. So you have crossed the finish line. Very good.